Hi, I'm Steve Prescott with REMAX Capital Properties. Happy New Year and welcome to 2022. Just wanted to give you a little market recap for the entire year in Laramie County for residential statistics, and then we'll look into our crystal ball and see what we have coming for 2022. So with some of the statistics, the number of homes sold in 2021 was 2,259 homes, only a difference of 6 homes compared to the year prior. So real close on the same number of homes sold for these last 2 years. As far as average days on market, we're at 20 days on market. Through REMAX Capital Properties, we're beating the average there by about, our average days on market are 14, so we're beating the average there, which is nice. And our average home price sale was $364,000, which is up $42,000 from the year prior. So pretty incredible statistics. It's hard to imagine we've had that much appreciation. It's been great for sellers. It's been really competitive for buyers, but as sellers, it's been a wonderful thing. So that's about it as for the year of 2022. Okay, so I'm looking into the year of 2022 for the residential real estate market in Cheyenne. What do I think is going to happen here? So I'll start it off by, I am by no means an economist. So with that said, I've talked to a lot of different lenders to see what we're going to experience with interest rates. I think we're going to have a little uptick in interest rates through the middle of the year, and then I think it may taper back down. Obviously, we have some pretty incredible inflation, around 7% right now. So interest rates are typically going to climb with that inflation, and I think we're going to table back down. So we may experience the very low 4% range of the interest rates, and then I think we could maybe go back down under 4% going into the end of this year and at the start of 2023. For home sales, I think what's going to happen is just going to be a carbon copy of these last couple of years, and especially this last year. Very low inventory. Right now we have 133 homes on the market in Laramie County, and I see that tightening up within the next couple months as our buying market and selling market heats up. So if you're interested in selling, I think it's still going to be a fantastic year. We're still going to have incredible appreciation. For buying, I would really advise to get a head start on the market. Reach out to your realtor or give us a call at REMAX Capital Properties so we can discuss a strategy. It does take a strategy and not just a whim of saying, let's throw the home on the market and see what we get. Because it's really fast paced and you need to make sure you have a replacement property. So that's about it for 2022. I think it's going to be a fantastic year in real estate. When I say fantastic, I mean busy for us and great for sellers. A little more competitive for buyers, but that's what it was this last year. I'll end my little spiel with, I just don't want to drop my crystal ball because it will probably cost me a fortune. Anyway, reach out to us if you need some real estate assistance at REMAX Capital Properties, CheyenneHomestore.com. Have a great new year.